All right, today we are at Universal Studios because they had the new reveal of the HHN reveal merchandise. We're coming here to get this, and that's going to be it for today. They have some new stuff, a couple tumblers and things. There's this new like stained glass thing they sell. It's pretty cool. It's got 5 different sections that you can buy different things to put in each section. She wants to be included in the intro. Here you go.
Hi, how are you? I'm on live currently as well. Don't forget to subscribe and join my lives. I'm going for random times every day, basically. And at night,
become a member too. You get exclusive content.
$3, and you get to see the vlogs come up on Monday instead of Thursday. Exclusive content and exclusive shorts as well. I got to meet a lot of cool, famous people. Famous, but whatever you want to call it. And
our camera got booped by Scooby.
It was so cool, and I got to meet Doc multiple times.
So stick around if you want to see some of that. Bye. Well, we made it. Here for the new HHN merch.
Let's go find Fallout.
It dropped yesterday. We were supposed to come yesterday because I knew it was going to drop, but we didn't make it in time. So now we're here today. We're gonna go get all of it, show you all of it, and after that, I have no idea what we're doing. They still have not brought back the Universal Studios sign on top of the Welcome Toll Plaza, whatever you call that, the parking plaza. I had a feeling they were just gonna update the logo and bring it up current because it was a very old one. But it's gotta be like 2-3 weeks now, or longer. It's been missing, and all it says is welcome. You know it's gonna be a good day when all of the moving walkways are working. 4 out of 4. It's been a while since I've been here and all of them have been working. Comment if you know that feeling. After a long day in the park and you go and the walkway is closed, or it's not turned on, that sucks. The display they had here in the window is blocked off. I wonder if they're changing it, getting ready to show something new. Yeah, it is. It's all blocked off. Weird. Oh, we're through the best new cut through. Shortcut. It's AC filled and you don't have to walk all the way around. If you ever at City Walk, stop at Voodoo Donuts. It's worth it. I like the bacon maple bar. Cupcake likes the voodoo doll. She's basic. They got some construction walls going up. Nothing confirmed yet, but it's rumored it's all getting blocked off for Rip Ride Rocket's eventual replacement and removal. Later on in this video, I'll try and get us some shots close by. Maybe I can see some stuff. All right, we made it in the park. I see the sign. We're walking past Bourne. My dad's gonna go in there and ride that. Well, watch that. Well, we come over here, get some footage. After that, I don't know what we're doing just yet, but I'll keep you updated. This is walking up to the show. Oh, look, she's out. To the Fallout. Let's see. I like it, but at the same time, I don't like it. I don't know. 33. This is a new thing they're doing this year. You buy this display, and then you buy, each little spot has one that you'll be able to buy and fill out all of them. It's like a little something to collect. That doesn't have a price, that's weird. Or is it broken? Oh, someone broke that one. Wow, if you come here, don't grab the first one. Make sure you get one that's not broken. This one's not. It is 25. 25. And then it is $8 each for each one. And that's gonna go right there. Oh, like this one. See, they got set up so they'll have one there, one there, one there, there, and the center will probably be the icon. whatever the icon is this year. And the last new thing they have is the cup tumbler. Actually nice, not bad. 27 though. And that is all of the new stuff. There's a face that shows up in this every now and again. There it is.
So we are on live while recording. Say hi to the recording. That's the shirt. It's the Fallout merch, Universal Halloween Horror Night 2025. It's got the dog holding the hand. He has this dude. I wonder what the back looks like, if there's anything on the back, because I haven't seen it. Nope. And then they have the tumblers. This is so hard doing this like on camera. All right, we're gonna put you here so I can record a little bit. It's Doc and it's Marilyn. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm sorry. Bye, Marilyn. I love you. You're so beautiful.
There's a crazy fellow over there.
Yeah, he is. He's from the future too. Can you say hi to my video?
I wonder if he's recording a new picture.
Possibly.
To audition and
Yeah.
everything.
It's Marilyn. She talked to me. Stop recording me.
It's an authentic reaction.
Bye, Marilyn. Love you. It's Doc.
Hold on, I drive. Oh,
Hi, Doc.
oh, good afternoon.
Hi.
So, what are we doing here exactly?
Hanging out with me.
Oh, okay.
We're looking for Marty.
Oh, well, leave him alone.
Okay, got it.
Yeah, the kids, they don't get out that much.
No.
They're on a de facto date.
Okay.
They're not, neither of them are very good with electrical repair, engineering, or anything. I want to bring them here. I'm like, just go have fun. It does seem to be surprising to me. I'm just saying, Fallout's not something generally to be decided. It's been my experience.
True,
What do
true.
I know? I'm just a nuclear physicist.
But you're my favorite nuclear system.
Oh, that's so kind of you to say. Thank you.
Oh my goodness. You're welcome.
Great Scott. It's a breakout.
Run, Doc, run.
Save yourself.
Okay. Bye,
Cause a
Doc.
distraction. Look, this guy's not wearing pads.
She's gonna cry.
He talked to me. Oh.
I got a photo shoot I gotta get to.
Bye, Betty Boop. Love you.
Love you.
She said she loved me. Yes, people, this is really my raw reaction. I said, bye, Betty Boop. Love you. She says, love you.
Simpsons are out. Scooby-Doo's out.
And so this is why we deal with the heat stroke to come to Universal. He said, great Scott, and he touched my shoulder. I wanted Ice Rose autograph so bad. He said, I love you so much. I named my bird after your characters. I really did. That's how we got McFly's name. It's because of the Back to the Future. The mystery gang is leaving. Hi, Scooby. Oh my goodness.
Scooby-Doo, you're a ham, man.
He really is. We love you.
He booped the camera.
He did. I can't believe I got that on camera. I'm so excited. I love when they like do that. That's so fun.
All the new HHN stuff. Someone's feeling it, it seems.
I'm being sassy for the camera.
All right, if you were watching her live, you got to see a little bit of the show. I had to go get some footage of the HHN merch. So I missed it. I was walking up and the camera was messing up. What's your thoughts?
It was so cool. It was so, like, they had a guy and he was like the director and they brought him out to dance with her and he was like...
All right, now that the Maryland show with the dancers is over, we're going to ride Transformers. Excited for that? It's like your first time riding it, won't it be?
Yeah. First time.
Yeah. It's like the best ride. It's I think it's better than Spider-Man. It's hot today.
It's very hot.
Very bright sun. AC. Air conditioning. I know I've recorded this probably 100 times in different videos, but I love this ride. I wish the movie stayed good. It kind of went downhill after 3.
Mission time. Glad I've got company. Now, put on your glasses. You guys are my navigators, so if anyone sees trouble... Uh-oh, that's trouble, all right. Watch out! It's Rabbit! He's after the Allspark! Gotta catch him! Bumblebee! Catwalk! Behind you! Got it! Mission to go! Come on, let's get out of this city! Reverse thrusters, full blown. How do we find a way out of here? Wrong way. We're trapped. Your planet belongs to me. Take cover. Escape route. Wait, something's wrong. It's Devastator. Where's Vortex? We need cover. Hold on. Sideswipe. Rookie, they trusted you with this mission. Got it, Bone Crusher. My gun's jammed. Get it. It's him again. Activate battle shields. We're hit. Humans and a beast. Hold on. Brace yourself. Everybody okay? We talked about it. Optimus. Heroes fight. Is with me. Compliment! Protect the Allspark. Just dropping in. We're on our own. What do we do? Beg the mercy. Never. No more running, recruits. What's the Allspark? He can have it! Oh no! Evac, report in. Your bravery saved the planet. Well done, freedom fighters. Way to improvise, team. Thanks for doing the challenge. Let's head on back to base.
They're both out today. All right, we were going to go in and ride some rides, but some stuff came up, so we gotta leave early. We'll be back probably next week to see some new things, ride some stuff. We're probably gonna go in Islands next week, so we haven't went there in a while. Want to ride Velocicoaster. Anything you want to add? Got the shirt. Got a Wicked Cup.
I want to meet the dinosaurs.
She's going live this whole day. Every time we come to the park, she's live. But yeah, it's an extremely hot day today. There is not much shade. So we're gonna head out, go eat, head home, deal with what we gotta deal with, and we'll be back in the next video. Bye. Boring ride. Should have kept Shrek. It's horrible. All right, bye.